In this video, we're going to take a look at a command that I really liked to use called snap mid between 2 points. And we're not in AutoCAD, we're in Revit. This is one of the commands I found myself using a lot back when I used AutoCAD, and it wasn't in Revit for a long time. They recently added it in Revit 2022.1. I think a lot of us just missed it. I know I did. So I wanted to take a minute to highlight this command in Revit and introduce it to you if you haven't seen it yet. This will be a bit of a quicker tutorial, so we'll go ahead and put a timer down below for like a minute and 39 seconds or something, and then we'll just take a look at this command. That sounds interesting? Check out the rest of this video. So we'll go ahead and take a look at this command. It's snap mid between 2 points. And what we're able to do is, as we're in a command, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and start a line command, li. If we were to want to get between these two grids, for instance, the midpoint between these, there's a few different ways to do that. And this is one of my favorite commands from my AutoCAD days. As a matter of fact, when we started learning Revit, I asked if it was available back in Revit 2013 and it wasn't. My instructor at the time was like, why do you need that? It's one of those commands you don't know you need till you need it. So what we're able to do is if we go ahead and right click, we are able to go to snap overrides, snap mid between 2 points. And if I pick 2 points, we will see that we get that midpoint indicator now. So as I start to draw, we are able to snap middle of these two grids in this case. If you don't like the right click menu, if you navigate to the Manage tab, the Settings panel, and the Snaps button, you will see all the keyboard shortcuts available to you. So we have this closest, we have the cycling between snaps, endpoints, midpoints, but way down here we do have a snap mid between 2 points. So what we can go ahead and do is if I start a command again and I hit S2 on my keyboard, it takes me into that command for me to be able to use. Another one I like to use a lot is the snap endpoint. So if I were to do create similar and I do SE for snap endpoint, that's the only snap I'll get at this time, or SM for snap midpoint. So keyboard shortcuts are really useful when it comes to snaps as well. So yeah, there you have it. One of those commands that was added in Revit 2022.1, and I don't know if all of us have noticed at this point. So there it is. Have fun, and thanks for checking it out.